flying some of the shell ones. I consider myself to be an experienced pilot, logging incredible flights over little-known waterfalls in Uganda, Africa, or flying my drone in South Africa and Lesotho, simply admiring the unbelievable nature sceneries. I should be satisfied with all of that, but I am not. I've been waiting for something bigger than one can do in a week. I wanted a big project, a very big big as project can be, and the project came to me. Everest. She proudly stepped not only the highest point of the world, but has also summited the highest mountains in North and South America and Europe. But she has never stepped on the famous, dangerous and mystic K2. She decided to change that, and she invited me to join her. Not really to the summit, but as high as I can, with the drone. Shit, this is finally the challenge that I have been waiting for. I have never been so high. The highest point I have flown my drone at was in the Austrian Alps at an altitude of 3,000 meters. It was fantastic, but really not that high, right? Questions came to my mind about the flight at that high. Therefore, I decided to fly test under boat pressure control and fly in long-term sub-zero freezing temperatures. I was waiting for really cold days and found that definitely yes. If you warm the batteries enough, it can. Questions answered, adventure began. Traveling to K2 base camp was a long haul. First, we had to get to Pakistan, which took us 2 days.
10 minutes for arrival.
Travel by off-road cars for another day through great valley formed by a wild river running directly to us from the glaciers. Finally, we began the camp. We started at an altitude of 3,000 meters. We could see the snow on the tops of the surrounding hills.
عاملكني بازر وزبار هالمجتمع أبلغنا ينبري إن عليه أبلغنا ينبري إن عليه
said right now. I wanted to make a small flying just around the glacier and the landing going on, but something happened wrong. The copter was flying very high, very fast somewhere, so I moved to Epi, but it doesn't matter. I just cut it. The picture that I found about the Jimbo itself, the running cockpit level, I'm accepting that because I was flying with this baby in Czech Republic, in Austria, in Lesotho, in South Africa, and here in Pakistan as well. It was fine, just crashed out. Shit.
However, getting a second parent drone in the box was a really lucky idea. After a few days, the weather cleared and I decided to fly again. So I charged my batteries and flied. Surrounded by insane glaciers, you are climbing higher and higher to the kingdom of ice and then Antarctica.
at 6,100 meters. I cannot run higher, as I don't have a permit, insurance, nor the shoes for that.
Here I am standing from K2, higher than anyone ever has with a drone. It looks like I can beat the world drone high altitude record. But the air here is so thin that the rotors are spinning almost at maximum speed while the drone still sits on the ground. Should I fly?